Hey guys, it's Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum, the Spotlight Home Team. I'm here at my open house 4538 Emerald Valley Loop in Fowlerville. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2,164 square feet. It's newly built last year. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are in the kitchen. It has nice new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large island in the middle, dishwasher. It opens up. Right there is your back deck, 20 by 20 composite deck. Let's go take a look here. Nice and peaceful back here. Lots of room on this deck to hang out, grill, relax. It's an extra added feature. Here's the living room. Nice shiplap fireplace mantel, gas fireplace. Good area right next to the dining room table and kitchen. So it's nice and open and smart lighting here so you can change the colors on that. This house has a spacious 3-car garage here. Nice big open spot. The stairs are nice and wide, leading up to the 4 bedrooms upstairs. So here on the left, we got the first one. Nice carpet, nice and bright windows, and closet. Second bedroom, probably the smallest one in the house, but still a very good size. This is the bathroom, dual sink. Here's the toilet. Nice shower built all the way up for the tile. Here is the third bedroom. Again, windows on 2 sides, nice and bright. Below this one we see the deck. What's great about this is the primary room's up here along with the washer and dryer. So with no going down the stairs, your master bedroom is right over here. Nice big window, second window, walk-in closet, and of course the bathroom over here. Again, dual sinks, extra seat in the toilet here, or sorry, bathroom, tiled all the way up. Now let's head up to the basement. Actually, walking down the stairs, I also noticed the second light up here, or second window above it, really changes things. Just makes it so much more comfortable. Now the basement's not completely finished, but it is drywalled all the way around. Here's your egress window, electrical box, your hot water tank and furnace, and pressure tank and water softener. So there's plenty of room to do stuff in here. If you really wanted, you can even build a 5th bedroom right here. Now this really is a great home. So if you're in Fowlerville looking for a home, it's for $449,000, newly built, all new stuff. So give me a call, Miguel Garanza with the Spotlight Home Team.